chỉ bay lệ phép u lệ tốn trong cắn video chu cắn tu tên nền weekend cắn hun man đàn mò là cắn cờ đàn bèo té hậu té mấy cái lẩu share chịu cắn phê ba rồi cái lệ chuông té Asheville, North Carolina cắn rụt lọ lúc hun lawm em cắn hẳn mong hoa HLIMAWM lẽ đi Tanger outlet anti Asheville CHUNGKUA an outlet mall pakhat chuanin kan fa ten min kalpuya thil lei tur vak nei ko kan ni lem lo kan han tlo kwal ve mai ni kan tu te nen kan tu te panga kum ngan huai lam mi li han kai swai su ol sam lo takania yes kan kapale kan moi lo hianin wagon te an lo le chuanin han in no le han kal zum ko al sam ve de wani hei kan tunu mu masak per ni la hi in sei nuam mi hi lo nia in anu la hi in sei thiam ve imayang adu tui ve em lo nia hei an kan han en kwal vel ve mai ni hi
You definitely like the butterfly, right? But
duang ta chuin thurwa lo mai te ma se ni la hianin adu hi han thlang ve phot mai se kan tia ni
Do you need socks?
kan tunu mi la hi du de nei ve rất mày hiền đi anh là thì zong lâu thế hi adu lâu chu đi lụi thấy nhá bên cái này là mày rồi chu hay adu zong chu
You like that? Will that fit you, baby?
cùng lên đi thì lâu chu anh adu
Here,
này
show your mom.
xoay chấm về khóc anh đi kan mi la hi kum li mi lek po ni ma se asai za
Those are too big, baby.
so asai chiam ve sapa
Yeah,
du
actually.
te nei ve mi ani tat ni
This is a 4-5. No, you're right. That is your size.
Oh, do you like that?
I'll hold it. Turn around.
Turn around.
Turn around and show her. Show Emmy.
Okay. Walk like you're. Okay. Okay. Walk around. Come around. Okay.
Do you want
I can't see you. Okay. Let me see you, baby.
Let's see. Do you want to try the size 4? Because you're going to be 5.
Yeah. Go.
Here. I would just want to try this size. And then we'll take it off.
It's. I know it's hard. It's so hot to try a jacket this time. It's for the fall, baby.
Yeah, it's for fall time.
It's for the fall time.
Because I think, honestly, this size 4.
Let me turn around.
Me.
Turn around. Oh, you are so cute.
I think I should get. I think the 4.
he mo la hi
I love your doggy.
an ui bikin mi ho
Say hello to Max.
kai phal
Hi, Max.
hun pan ta ka chuan phalan ni lawa hela ma ta hian phalan ni ano
Party?
P-A-R-T-I, party.
Party. Okay.
Party animal.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful.
Thank you.
Was that a pretty dog? Right.
ole kha te me kha ka lo share le thei cheu chu nia kan lawm em thank you so much and God bless.